Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ClickBank for affiliate marketing in the USA, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate ClickBank for affiliate marketing in the USA, start by visiting the ClickBank website. Once there, locate the sign up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on sign up to begin the registration process. You will then be directed to a registration form. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and country of residence. Make sure to create a strong password for your ClickBank account. Read and agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. After completing the form, click on the Join ClickBank button. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your account is confirmed, log in to your ClickBank account. Navigate to the Account Settings section. Complete your account profile by providing additional information, such as payment details. You may need to set up your payment method, which can be direct deposit or check. Next, familiarize yourself with the ClickBank Marketplace. Search for products that interest you and align with your target audience. Once you find a product you want to promote, click on the Promote button. A pop-up will appear where you can generate your unique affiliate link. Copy your affiliate link and save it for later use. Promote the product through various channels such as social media, blogs, or websites. Ensure you comply with ClickBank's guidelines and regulations while promoting. Monitor your performance through the ClickBank Analytics dashboard. Adjust your marketing strategies based on your performance metrics. With dedication and the right approach, you can successfully activate ClickBank for affiliate marketing in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.